Welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be discussing Lok Adalat along with High Court. Okay, so first let us discuss about the Lok Adalat, which is what is a Lok Adalat. So from the Lok means people. Lok means people. Okay, people. So word itself tells you that it is the people's court. Means जो लोग जैसे हाई कोर्ट, सबॉर्डिनेट कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट, जो कि सिविल कोर्ट और सेशन कोर्ट होते हैं ना, वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा मनी चाहिए होती है, ठीक है. बट जिन लोगों के पास मनी नहीं होती है, जैसे कि जो पुअर लोग होते हैं, उन्हें भी मतलब लगे कि उन्हें जस्टिस मिल रहा है, उनके लिए लोक अदालत बनाई गई हैं जिसमें कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करा जाता है, उसमें लड़ाई नहीं होने देते हैं. सो इट इज़ द पीपल्स कोर्ट, ठीक है. इट what does it encourages? It encourages the settlement of the disputes through compromise. disputes को settle करना है, मतलब जो problems आई हैं उन्हें settlement करना है आपस में बातचीत कर कर. that is what we call it as a compromise. compromise कर कर हमें डिस्प्यूट्स को सेटल करना है. अब इसका फ़ायदा क्या होता है, काफ़ी सारे लोग जो होते हैं वो लोक अदालत में भी जाते हैं. बट अगर आप एक बार लोक अदालत में चले गए ना, फिर आप सबॉर्डिनेट कोर्ट को अप्रोच नहीं कर सकते हो या सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट को अप्रोच नहीं कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू हैव टू डिसाइड एंड देन ओनली यू कम हेयर, ठीक है. सो इट बेसिकली reduces the workload of other courts. Okay, and along with that it makes the people feels that they are also जो लोग गरीब होते हैं उन्हें भी जस्टिस मिले, और उसके साथ साथ में it works in the spirit of the compromise. disputes are solved through compromise. Okay, and it reduces the workload, this you all know that. And if like Supreme Court passes anything, so that binds on the person, they need to obey that. Similarly, if Lok Adalats give any decision, that is final and it is binding on the parties. It is binding on the parties. They cannot now change their decision, or they cannot now move on to the other courts. And no, anger or unhappiness cannot be, unhappiness is encouraged there. Okay, and no anger is to be there if you are going to the Lok Adalat. So it's completely through compromise, everything calm and smoothly going on. Okay, so now after the subordinate court, like if death sentence is passed, so the case now has to go to the high court. So high court के बारे में अब हम बात करेंगे. किसके बारे में बात करेंगे? हाई कोर्ट के बारे में. How many high courts are there in the country? 25 high courts are there. There are certain high courts which are having their jurisdiction over more than one state. So you can basically the examples of these high courts are Guwahati High Court. Guwahati High Court, it exercises jurisdiction over which states? Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram and Nagaland. And earlier, you know what, Manipur, Meghalaya and Tripura, they also used to be the part of this Guwahati High Court only. But now they have their separate High Court. So now Guwahati High Court is exercising the jurisdiction over Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram and Nagaland only. And Chandigarh High Court is over Punjab and Haryana. Punjab and Haryana. Chandigarh High Court. Guwahati High Court is over Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Nagaland. Earlier किस पे और इसके साथ थे? त्रिपुरा, मेघालय एंड मणिपुर. अब चंडीगढ़ का भी आपको समझ में आ गया. बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट exercises a jurisdiction over two, that is Maharashtra and Goa also. Okay, and then after that, after Chandigarh, after BC, Bombay High Court, Chandigarh High Court, ठीक है, then HG, Guwahati High Court and Hyderabad High Court, ठीक है. So something relatable. So Hyderabad High Court exercises a jurisdiction over Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Now Guwahati High Court over Arunachal Pradesh and this over Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad High Court jurisdiction over Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. ठीक है. So now let us talk about the composition of the High Court. Okay. What about the composition of the High Court? अब हर एक हाई कोर्ट के पास देखो चीफ जस्टिस तो होगा ही होगा, एंड प्लस द जजेस एज द प्रेसिडेंट मे फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम. मतलब चीफ जस्टिस तो होगा ही और उसके साथ साथ में जजेस आते जाते हैं जैसा प्रेसिडेंट को सही लगे. ठीक है. Number of the judges is not fixed because there are 25 high courts and every high court has the different number of the judges, so it varies. So हम ऐसा कोई number specify नहीं बता रहे हैं. Chief Justice and the judges as the president may say. And now how are these judges appointed? ठीक है, how are these judges appointed? So Chief Justice of the High Court is appointed. Chief Justice कैसे appoint होता है? Appointed by the President of the India. President. It consults the Chief Justice of India. Chief Justice of India consults the two senior most judges plus the governor of the state. ठीक है. And अगर so who is consulted? President. President is the main one. President consults the Chief Justice of India and the governor of the state. Chief Justice of the India has to give the decision after discussing with the two senior most judges. In the Supreme Court, it has to discuss with the 4 senior most judges. And if any other judge other than the Chief Justice of the state is to be elected, Chief Justice is to be elected, then what will happen is that so this person also needs to be consulted, that is the Chief Justice of the state, if any other judge is to be appointed. Now what is the qualification to become the judge of the High Court? Number 1, citizen of India. Very simple. ठीक है. और उसके साथ साथ में he should have held the judicial office for the 10 years. And what was in the case of the subordinate court? It was somewhat like 7 years of the advocate or should have held the judicial office. और यहाँ पर 10 years तक का उसे होना पड़ेगा, held the judicial office. Okay. or must have been the advocate for at least 10 years. Okay. उसमें advocate था for 7 years and here it for 10 year, for at least 10 year. So what is the term? Till the age of 62 years. In the Supreme Court it's till 65 years. ठीक है. And judge can also be removed on the ground of the proved misbehavior. और इसका जो process है वो जब मैं आपको Supreme Court पढ़ाऊंगी ना उसमें आपको बताऊंगी. So I'll end it here. So please like my video if you have liked the content, and please subscribe it also if you have not subscribed it yet, because you're gonna get so much here. Okay. And along with that also share it with your friend. It will really help. So thank you so much. Bye bye.